Alright, let's look at the homework 4.5, problem number 9. Alright, so I'm going to just do part A since part B and part C are very similar. Alright, so first thing is let's find the critical numbers. Alright, so we have f prime of x is equal to, alright, so since we have two things multiplied together, we're going to have to use a product rule. Derivative first guy is 1 times the second guy is x minus 11 cubed plus first guy is x minus 3 and derivative of the second is 3 times quantity x minus 11, subtract 1 from the power and then multiply by derivative inside, which is going to be 1. Alright, so it looks like, I'm going to just clean up a bit. Multiply by 1 doesn't really do anything, and here, multiply by 1 doesn't do anything, so I'll just clean that up. So that's 11 right there. Alright, then I'm going to factor out common factors. So here, common factor is this guy. There are actually 3 of them here, so I'll just leave one of them. So I'll take x minus 11 squared, right? And what's left is another x minus 11 from the first term. And don't forget to distribute 3 to x and the negative 3. You get plus 3x minus 9. Right? And the derivative of 3 is 0, so I forgot to tell you that. Alright, so this comes out to be negative x minus 11 squared. So that will be 4x minus 20. Right? So we can pull out 4. So 4 is in common. So we have x minus 5. Right? Set this guy equal to 0. So we have critical numbers. So x equals 11 and x equals 5. So those are the critical numbers. Right? Alright, then since we're looking at the interval from 0 to 7, in this case, so for part A, we are looking at the 0 to 7. So 0 is a candidate, and 5 is a candidate, and also 7 is another candidate, and 11 is too big, it's outside, so we're not going to consider that for part A. So there are only 3 possible places, f of 0 and also f of 5 and f of 7. Alright, so if you plug in 0, so it's going to be negative 3 times negative 11 cubed plus 3. Right? And I'm going to cheat a little bit. I'm going to bring out a GeoGebra here, right, to compute. Alright, so we have, let's see, negative 3 times negative 11 cubed and a plus 3. Alright, so that's that. And 3996. So 3996. Alright, let's find f of 5, which is going to be 2 times and 5 minus 11, so it's a negative 6 cubed plus 3. Alright, so what's that? Alright, so it's going to be 2 times negative 6 cubed plus 3. Right? Negative 429. Right? And the 7, so if you plug in 7, so that would be 4 times 7 minus 11 is negative 4 cubed plus 3. Right? So if what's that? It's a 4 times negative 4 cubed plus 3. All right, so it's a negative 253. All right, then we know the winner. Let's see, we're looking for the absolute max. So this is the absolute maximum. And here's the smallest one. So it's an absolute minimum. All right, so let's type it in. All right, so we're looking for the absolute maximum. Let's see which was absolute maximum happens at 0 and 0. And the value was 3996. 3996. All right, let's check the answer. We got that. All right, and the absolute minimum occurs at, let's see, what was it? The 5 and negative 429. And the 5 and negative 429. All right, check the answer. All right, we got that. All right. And yep, that's it for part A. So you can do go through the similar process to do part B and part C. All right, I'll let you guys finish it. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.